Hey everyone! Hamster Combat is set to be listed on the 26th, and in this video tutorial, we're showing you exactly how to connect your Bybit exchange to claim your Hamster Combat airdrop, if you've been wondering how to do this safely and easily. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. First things first, if you already have a Bybit account, make sure you've completed your KYC verification. This is super important. You'll need to verify your account using your ID. So make sure to have that ready. Once your KYC is done, you're good to go. Now, let's dive into linking your account. Open your Telegram and navigate to your Hamster Combat channel. Tap on the Airdrop section. Here, you'll find various exchanges you can use for the airdrop. If you're using an on-chain wallet like Keeper, you won't need KYC for that. But for Binance, Bybit, or OKX, KYC is a must. Now, from here, you'll be prompted to choose your exchange. Select Binance, Bybit, OKX, or whichever one you prefer. For this video, I'm going with Bybit. First, select Bybit. It'll ask you if you have a Bybit account. Click Yes, I have it. If you don't have one, you can register and complete the verification process. Next, it'll ask for your Bybit UID, deposit address, and memo. So let's go ahead and get that from Bybit. Now, open your Bybit mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll need your Bybit UID. Here's how to find it. Look for your profile icon. Click on it, and you'll see your UID right there. Simply copy the UID by taping on it. Go to your Hamster Combat app and paste the Bybit UID you just copied. Next, we need the deposit address and memo. Let's go ahead and get that from Bybit. Once you're in, tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an overview of all your cryptocurrencies in Bybit. Select Deposit. Next, select Deposit Crypto. Once you're on the deposit page, search for Hamster Combat using the symbol HMST. Click on the Hamster Combat token and make sure to select the correct network. In this case, TON. Alright, you'll see your deposit address and memo. Both the memo and the deposit address are required. Without the memo, the transaction won't go through. Copy your address first and head back to Hamster Combat. Paste the address in the field provided. Then, go back to Bybit, copy the memo, and paste that in the corresponding field as well. Once you've added both the address and memo, double-check that everything is correct. Once verified, click Save and Choose. And that's it. You've linked your Bybit account to Hamster Combat, and you're now ready to receive your airdrop on launch day. Finally, wait for the airdrop to be distributed to your Bybit account. You'll be able to claim your tokens on the 26th, the official launch day. If you're planning to link other exchanges, you can do so by following similar steps. I'll demonstrate the process OKX in future videos. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.